Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to change the width of tabs in the Google Chrome web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And then dito lang sa searching address bar ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Chrome and then colon, slash, and flags. Ayan, so ito yung kailangan mong i-type Chrome, colon, slash, and flags, and then press mo lang yung enter. At direct agad dito sa experiments. And then dito sa search plug ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung tab scrolling. At mag-a-appear lahat dito yung iba't ibang klase ng tab scrolling settings. And the next step, yung pinakauna lang na tab scrolling enables tab strip to scroll left or right when pulled. Kung paano ba ito i-change? So dito lang sa default ay click mo lang itong arrow na to. And then makikita mo dito yung iba't ibang klase ng option settings na enabled. So mayroon ditong tab string to pin tab width or tab string to a medium width or tab string to a large width. So sili ka lang dito kung anong gusto mong options. Okay, so halimbawa click mo lang itong enabled. And then next ay kailangan lang natin mag-relaunch. So click mo lang dito sa baba. And then wait natin. And then ayan. Okay, so na-enable na siya. Kung gusto mo naman itong i-disable, so click mo lang dito yung disable. And then, dito sa baba ay kailangan lang i-click tong relaunch. And then, click mo lang yan. And then, makita mo dito na naka-disable na siya. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-change ng Google Chrome size tabs. So, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.